I would blow another asshole. I'd rip out.
What?
I'd rip another asshole.
Another?
If someone's gonna like come over here and start war, you gotta rip another asshole. I'm gonna put a gun over the butt and shoot.
Yeah, he's gonna go home.
Like, blow your butt cheeks out.
He's gonna go home with 3 shoes on his feet. 2 on his feet and 1 on his ass.
Oh, one in his ass?
Michael.
Language.
Who did that?
And that's what you're gonna
Hey, everybody, on a count of 3 we go yeehaw. 1, 2, 3.
Obama!
Come on, guys.
I'm sick. I can't get that high.
Tasha. You
And it's Josh.
Can you see some of us sometimes just a little too...
Eh.
Alright, keep going, man. Say stoppy.
Stoppy, okay.
Jesse. Hi.
Oh, right.
Oh, wrong person.
Hi.
Wrong, Jessica.
Hey, you don't gonna miss the fireworks.
Yeah, because of she's taking us away.
Hey, we're just gonna do. Can I get a water for that, please?
No.
No, you got germophobia over here. Find a puddle.
Oh, can I have a piggyback ride now?
Oh, yeah.
No, I don't trust that to you.
Oh, man, dude.
She's like, no.
Guys, we have to cross it.
No.
Cross it.
Why?
I know. Jesse, you have my baking.
Cross.
Wait,
Fuck you.
later.
God, guys.
Where are we going? I don't like come on. I don't know.
Everybody, let's cross together.
Where are we going?
Fourth of July.
I'll call you. All right. Text me when you get it.
Wait, where are we going? Are you guys going
Come on,
fireworks?
they're going back that way. Come on. Leah.
Why don't you go?
Hey guys, you're with Leah. 4th of July.
Woo! Check out my pen. See my pen?
This thing is
USA.
Oh, wow. Stupid.
Alright, watching fireworks. They're all over there.
Those are our fireworks.
Oh, those aren't ours, but we're getting ready to party. This thing will not. Woo! Happy 4th of July, everybody! Woo! That's where they're lighting them off at.
There you go, my ass is
I said we're backing off.
Woo! God bless America, everybody. God love the United States. The day that we got all of our freedom, right? Like Independence Day means it's the day that the Declaration of Independence was signed and we got our freedom.
And God bless you.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! There goes, there goes! That. Hey, watch it. Woo! Woo! This is to all my Ukrainian friends, all my Russian people. Woo!
Oh, never mind.
Woo! Yeah! Tasha, what do you think about all this? Yeah! Oh my God, that's so cool! Yeah.
You wake the dead.
You're gonna wake the dead. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Oh my God. Oh wow. Yeah, look at that, everybody. Wow. Yeah, I heard that is so nice. You guys have a parade today?
No, we have a parade.
West Shepherd. The first. Yeah, we had our parade today. It was awesome. Woo! Yeah, Fate of Glory. This one's gonna be a big one. Watch it, guys. Watch it. There it goes. There's a big one right there. Isn't that amazing how like they go in the sky like that? There's just like little sparklers that blow up. And it's amazing how they can make all those cool patterns.
Yeah, they're gonna stop selling sparklers.
They're gonna stop selling what?
Sparklers.
Why? You know, they're taking the fun out of 4th of July.
They've already took them out of gas stations, so my mom was looking for sparklers the other day for Rylan, and they took them out of all gas stations.
That's it! Woo! Oh my god, I cannot believe my 4th of July is over! Wait, there's more! There's more, guys! There's more! Here we go. Oh, shit, guys! Shit, guys! This is it! Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! Yes, I am. Yeah. I will. Wow! Happy 4th of July, everybody! Happy 4th of July! Woo! Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Woo! Yeah, that's it. You got that? I'm gonna tag everybody in this, so don't worry. If y'all have a Facebook, I'll tag you. Like, woo! Yeah, that's it.
Now it's over. Apparently, I don't work.
Woo! God bless America, the land of the free and the brave. Yeah. All right. Well, that's it. That's 4th of July. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, gotta help me off here. Oh shit. Yeah. Ow, I think I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna miss you so much. I know. It's so sad. I'm saying goodbye. I'm going to the Ukraine. Oh my God. I'm gonna cry. Yeah, oh my god, I'm crying. Keep filming.
No, it's not goodbye right now. It's not goodbye right now.
I'm gonna cry.
It's not goodbye.
Oh my god.
You'll be back eventually.
I'm coming back to America always. I can't leave America forever. I'm just I have friends.
Don't get biggie.
Shit too.
I'm epileptic. What are you doing?
Sad moment.
My hero is really epileptic.
I don't know who you are, but I'm gonna miss you too. You live in West Chester.
Yes,
Hey, talk about, say the Harry Bishops to Russia. Tell the camera what you're gonna do in Russia.
Huh?
What are you gonna do in Russia?
Robert! Why are you all the way up there? Party's back here. You're going to Russia.
Going to Russia. I'm gonna find some heady beaches.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah, I'm going to the Ukraine,
I thought
everybody.
Jenny was high level of Robert.
At least you didn't fall.
I almost did.
She almost fell.
Oh, I thought you said she was jealous of me. I was going to say, what the hell did I do?
Look behind you. Girl with glow.
You are you.
Oh, she's fat. That's fine. Oops, my bad.
Everybody clap your hands.
I'm gonna miss you so much.
Yippee!
God, I'm gonna cry again. You love my sister. I know. I'm gonna learn now.
Are you guys ready? You wanna walk this way?
That you might come back to me.
Okay, Leah, we're coming this way.
Give me a hug. I'm going to Ukraine in a week.
Have fun.
I know. Yeah, right. It's fun.
She's been down there.
Oh, I'm gonna hug.
Leah, Brittany,
Alright,
your
let's
sister
do
walks home. Yeah.
Alright, you still following? For the goodbye moment.
Everybody.
America! Goodbye, America! I'm getting drunk tonight because I have to say goodbye to America.
That's it.
Jack, give me some of that fireworks.
Hell no. Shit's mine.
Yeah, I got my ID in the car. Hey, happy 4th! Really short. I don't want that one.
Be glad I gave you a
Happy 4th of
taste.
July. Hey, happy 4th of July, guys. You filming this?
Oh yeah, I'm feeling it.
Hey, happy 4th of July. Get over here.
We know you're doing it and all, but come on. Yes, Leah.
Happy 4th of July, ma'am. Happy 4th of July, guys.
Yeah.
Happy 4th of July, guys.
There's a Siberian.
Hey, happy Independence Day. Peace out, y'all. I'm going to Russia. Happy 4th of July.
Leah.
Nobody said I'm going to Russia in a week. All right. Keep moving.
Kisses.
Can you actually see me doing that? Yeah. Oh, there was lights on me?
Yeah. Like every car.
I'm going to show Dennis this video. He's going to be like, what the hell are you doing, Leah? Leah, little Leah, what are you doing?
There she comes from behind.
American girl. You crazy Americans.
There she comes from behind.
Bro.
As they go under.
Yeah.
I feel like Spider-Man.
But Josh said they told me him to be all this and call me babe.
He does love you.
He told me that he wouldn't have a family with me.